Hello, this is Dylan KJ19 and also FutureInventions here, and today I will be reviewing the Technica Lavalier microphone. So here it says experience more freedom and supplies sound for presentations and video recording, which is what I usually do. Here I don't know what this is all about, but up here it says ATR3350. That must be the model number. So now let's look at the back, and let's come up close again. Here it says lavalier microphone, compact condenser microphone, virtually disappears on stage and on screen. Omnidirectional polar pattern, picks up sound 360 degrees. Includes tie clip, battery, foam windscreen, 6.3 millimeter adapter, and element condenser, polar pattern, omnidirectional, frequency response 50 to 18,000 hertz, sensitivity minus 54 decibels, impedance 1000 ohms, weight 6 grams or 2/10 of an ounce, cable 6 millimeter 20 inches, terminated with 3.5 millimeter 1/8 inch stereo mini plug. So that's it. And here it says it has a lifetime warranty, and here it just says Technica, and some nice looking boxing, you know. Over here it says that too. Over here it has some little logo. Here it says, you know, the whole thing. Okay, so now I'm just going to start unboxing it. Actually, I'll do it close up. So here I'm going to start unboxing it. Just pull this off, and here we get this sort of tray with the cable hanging off of it. I'll set this down for a second. We can see that it also comes with some type of instructions. It's about the lifetime limited warranty. And there doesn't seem to be any instructions, because microphone seems to be pretty self-explanatory. I'll just show you the adapter. You know, these are like pretty common in karaoke machine type things, and so yeah, it's a nice thing to have an adapter. See if I can get this out. Okay, I'll get something else out. Here is the microphone. This is a little clip for the microphone. Well, and it also holds the battery. Has an on-off switch, and here they give you a pretty nice amount of cable, and this just goes to your camcorder. Oh, I can't believe that. This is a microphone part. I don't know why I thought that goes to your camcorder. This goes to your camcorder. So, as you can see by the jack, it's only stereo, but that's okay. And they were very, very, very generous with the amount of cable. Also, let me see if I can remove this thing. My God. My God. God. Okay. Here it is. This is just, any ordinary clip. And, it seems like there's a little microphone thing here. Actually, let me see that. Yeah, the microphone does fit into here. And you can also hold like cables like right around here and with your clothes. So that's a pretty good insert. Now what we have here is a wind reduction sort of thing. So you just slip it over here somehow. I'm not going to do it now, but there. Also, I don't know if this is a replacement battery or if this is the battery, but here's a little coin cell battery. I'm going to try to get this on here. I'm going to do it far away. Okay, so I got it on, finally. There it is, it just fits on like that. And it looks like mini microphone, like mini karaoke microphone. That's pretty cool. So, now I'm going to put the battery in. Well, actually, first let's unravel the generous amount of cable. So here, this is quite a bit of cable. And over here, we also have a whole lot of cable. Wait. There is tons and tons of cable. This is like, I'm going to put this back on because this can like really get tangled. Just like Apple headphones. I'll see if I can get that on there. Okay. So, now I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to see if there is a battery in it, which seems like there isn't. Yep, there's no battery here. So, now I'm going to take the battery and put it in. Here's a plus side, here's a minus side. I believe it goes in just like that. Now you just take this cover and screw it right back on. Okay, so now I guess we can test it. I'll take the little clip and I'll put it on my shirt, and then I'll show you later once I adjust the volume on my camera.